Hi, I'm Mark Ashcroft. Let's take a quick run through some of the features and performance of the PicoVNA 106 USB controlled 6 GHz Vector NetworkAnalyzer. Fast, deep, quiet and portable, the PicoVNA 106, despite its small footprint and its low price, is a full function 2-port bidirectional VNA with all the measurement and plot formats that you would expect, and of course the PC and monitor of your choice. There's nothing left out here. Nominal impedance conversion to 75 ohm, for instance, reference plane shift and embed de-embed are all included, and likewise there's no performance compromise either. This is a low pass filter measurement at 100 Hz bandwidth. No average or smoothing applied here. I have speeded things up a bit here to show you the trace noise and the marker noise over the dynamic range of the instrument, typically down to -118 dB RMS. Performance and value doesn't stop there either. Typically a $2,000 option, Pico includes time domain measurement at the single price. And here we see a comparison of two filter responses. Time domain, the pulse step response at the top, frequency domain at the bottom. We need to think too about the trace noise and speed, supported by trace noise of 0.05 dB RMS. Here I compare two short lengths of coax cable, and their readings are coming in at 5,000 full S2P points per second. The software packs in 3 further value-add utilities. Here, P1 dB compression of this amplifier is under test. This at a single frequency, swept frequency also supported. Similarly, phase mod due to AM is supported in a second utility, and a CW signal source utility adds yet more flexibility to the product. Finally, let's pair the PicoVNA 106 with an AC coupled PicoConnect passive probe. Here we're going to make the most of the VNA's speed to browse S21 responses around signal, control, bias and supply nodes of up to 50 volt DC bias around this amplifier. We find there is a -20 dB non-flat swing on the unused input and a -45 dB plateau on a decoupled bias supply, and both were very quickly gathered.